just in case anybody was planning on buying one of these. It's got friction shocks on it. It's not 1/10 scale, it's like a 1/12. Here it is up next to a Stampede. Comes with this remote. It ain't a bad feeling one. Got foam on the wheel. This is it. It's good looking, but it's just small. The body kind of clips underneath the front. Right there. Got lights on it. This is the inside of it. You can remove that foam right there and put a little bit bigger battery in it. It's not very fast at all, but it comes in green and orange. Like I said, it's not a 1/10, it's a 1/12 at the best. But it is a good looking little thing, but it comes with friction shocks on it. I changed out the shocks on it already. Put some off of, I ain't sure what I got them off of, but put them on there. Let's see if I can. There we go. See a little bit better now. Got that hook, and the hook's underneath the front right there. I thought it was about the size of a Traxxas Max, and it looks like similar to one, but it's not. It's not nowhere near 1/10 size, but it does hook under there pretty good. But I just wanted to let everybody know I haven't seen much on the internet on them. They're just not that big.